So what I'm running into is the slate are pretty good down here. But up in here, this one's pretty good, but some of them are just shattering. Let me try to find one here. Well, like this one right here. So here, doesn't sound the greatest, but here, it's just wafering off. So the heat, because they're underneath, is affecting them. I mean, it is 150 years, so that appears to be what's happening. So some of these that look okay underneath there might not be okay at all. I mean, they're still shedding water, but that just goes to show how important it will be for me to pick an area each year and just redo it, like redo this whole area. But first I need to take care of this. So that's just an observation. Underneath where they're sandwiched, it appears to be harder on them. Okay, that's all for right now. I'll get back at this evening, maybe an hour.